right? So we're gonna do 10. We're gonna do 5 in, 5 out, but then the last 5, we're gonna up the increase. So the first one, so number 6, we're gonna hold for 2, number 7, 3, 8, 4, 9, 5, but it's really 10.
For me, it's my left leg out.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
Right.
So you start with a neutral spine and come out. Come to the top of the foot on the bottom and really square your legs off. Square your hips and your shoulders off. Flex your back foot. All right? And just even stay in here. Actually, just for the fun of it, push your butt way back with your arms. Now come as far forward as you can without bending your elbows. And then go back. There's a good ab, believe it. You can feel your little abs stopping you. No?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Forward. Wow, that was a snap. Okay, so it's in, out, in. Oh yeah, I gotta put the other arm out. So crunch in, push out. I forgot to. I had to look at you and see. In, out. We'll just do one more, and then we'll start upping. Now, if you want to really do it a little harder, come in and crunch your elbow to your knee twice. So you go 1, 2, kick, out. And then 1, 2, 3, out. And lift your arm and your leg for 3. How about that part added? And then 4. 3, 4, 5. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then go forward to that pigeon pose. Kind of play with the pigeon. Just find a spot. Ooh.
He's not. Doesn't give it much attention. That's the other side.
Huh? Yeah. Ooh. That stretched my knees out. Good.